back to another video of one of you guys. At kaka-update lang yung Blox Fruits at level 160 pa ako. And may bagong fruits, gas. That's like my poop. Gas. Ano, hindi pa nila nakakakuha yung gas. Yung in-obtain ko lang ay yung gas fruit. Tapos, paparobux ako para makakuha ko lang yung from dragon or kitsune. Make sure to like and subscribe. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. What is that, Lucy? Who's that, Lucy? So, nakakatawa ba yun sa inyo? Make sure to like and subscribe, my boy! Yeah, I'll fabric. One them, five billion, one them, I on the fabs. Oh, got my gun, my Nerf gun. There's a shooting case, and it's Christmas. I got a suit that is made out of paper, and I got these guys. I don't know how many are there yet. Boom! Give me some of that money. These guys are thousands, and I count 32 of these. Yeah, they're 35,000 or 60,000. Yeah. Yamwala. Dito na si Gia.
Alis na ako.
Goodbye.